Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R19, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, well, actually before I get started, I'll also mention that this does remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now to get started, we will need to power off our device by holding the power key. Obviously you can see I am doing this from the lock screen, so this is done as though I wouldn't know my pattern. There we go, I will select power off. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And once you see the CUBOT logo, basically like this one, you will let go of the power key immediately once you see it. So I'm going to do that right now. So power key, volume up at the same time. And CUBOT logo shows up, let go of the power key. There we go. And as you can see, this will take you to recovery mode. So in here, we'll need to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe data factory reset right here. Once it's selected, press power key to confirm it and select yes. As you can see, it will give you a message formatting data at the bottom, and then next thing we should see is data wipe complete. There we go. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again. This will initiate a reboot and also continue the process in the background. This probably will take about 4 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should then be greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.